Okay, dear students, today let us discuss about adjoint of a matrix. So, previous class means yesterday already find out some problems, minus and cofactors. So, today next topic is after minor and cofactors. Topic is adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix. ADJOINT, adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix. Okay, first I am going to the definitions adjoint of a matrix. What is meant by adjoint of a matrix? So already we know that, already find out some minus and cofactors. So according to cofactors, you write down some matrix in element number 1, element number 2, element number 3, element number 4, 5, 6, etc. etc. After that, you interchange row to column, column to row. Otherwise, rows into column, columns into rows. Did you understand? So cofactors of element is interchanged. Rows into column, column into row. That is called a adjoint of a matrix. Last classes already find out some cofactors. You write down that in matrix form, then interchanging. That is called adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix, A is a square matrix. So one reason is there, one very important point is there. Adjoint of a matrix, it is involved only square matrix. This is very important property of adjoint of matrix. Consider A be a square matrix. Let A be a square matrix, then adjoint of A is denoted by like this. You see, look here, A, D, J of A. Adjoint of A. You read as adjoint of A, written as ADJ of A. Did you understand? This is the denoted by adjoint of a matrix. So next I am going to some properties of the adjoint of a matrix and important points or important definitions of a adjoint of a matrix. So first is very important property. A is a square matrix. A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinants of A into high. Determinants of A into high. This is very important property. So A means that is a square matrix. Adjoint means we know that adjoint of A means find out some cofactors and then find out adjoint A. Determinants of A, you know determinants of A. So given on square matrix, next you evaluate only first row to get some result, that is determinants of A. High, I means identity matrix. You know identity matrix. So already explained in matrix definitions, identity matrix. So according to 2 cross 2, 1 0 0 1. According to 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the identity of a matrix. So here very important points here. A into adjoint A to get some results. Then you multiply adjoint A into A to get same result. Then you go to simplify these determinants of A into high 100% to get same result. This is very important property in adjoint of a matrix. So next, according to adjoint of matrix, to get two definitions, very important definitions. So singular matrix, singular matrix. What is meant by singular matrix? The value of determinants of A is equal to 0 is called a singular of matrix. So determinants of A, you take one example, singular matrix one example ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So A is equal to A matrix is equal to 1 2 2 4. A matrix 1 2 2 4. Determinants of A is equal to determinants of 1 2 2 4 1 2 2 4. Simplify this. So 1 4 is 4 minus 2 2 is 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel, that is equal to 0. The value of determinants is equal to 0 is called singular matrix. What are the definitions? Define singular matrix. A is a square matrix, then determinants of A is equal to 0 is called a singular matrix. Next, second one, non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Yes, what is meant by non-singular? Opposite of singular is called non-singular matrix. Otherwise, very simple definition is there. Let A be a square matrix, then determinants of A is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0 is called non-singular matrix. One example, A is a square matrix 3 4 1 2. So determinants of A is equal to 3 4 1 2. So determinants of 3, that is equal to, expand this 3 2s are 6 minus 4 2. 2 is not equal to 0. That is called non-singular matrix. Did you understand? Once again. So first I am going to the definitions. Adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix is very easy. Let A be a square matrix. Then write the cofactors of matrix A. Then that factors interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows is called adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix denoted by like this, ADJ of A. Read as adjoint of A, written as ADJ of A. So then very important property of there in adjoint of a matrix is A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A. So that is equal to determinants of A into I. So next another definition is produced in adjoint of a matrix. That is very important. So and that is very important. Singular matrix. First one, singular matrix. Singular matrix means if let A be a square matrix, if determinants of A is equal to 0 is called a singular matrix. And non-singular matrix, let A be a square matrix, then determinants of A is not equal to 0 is called a non-singular matrix. Okay. So okay, next I am going to find out some problems involved for only adjoint of a matrix. In exercise that is 4.5, mostly 4.5. Find the adjoint of the matrix of the following. Okay. So did you understand adjoint of matrix and properties of adjoint of matrix and singular matrix, non-singular matrix? Okay, next I am going to simplifications of adjoint of matrix, otherwise evaluate of adjoint of matrix, otherwise find the adjoint of matrix of some matrix A or matrix B or matrix C. Okay. So ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು adjoint of matrix. Very simple is that. So already we know that minus and cofactors. Here also first you should find out the cofactors. So first I am going to 2 cross 2 matrix. You look here. A matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. First you check this is non-singular matrix. Okay, singular matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ because that is determinants of A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore this is 100% non-singular matrix. Okay. So A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. So first you take that determinants of A, right? Determinants of A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. So first find out M11. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ M11. M11 is equal to how much? 4. M11 is equal to 4. So next ಹಿಂಗೆ ತರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ A11 is equal to minus 1 o to the power of 1 plus 1 like this 1 plus 1 into M11 result is 4. Minus 1 o to the power of 1 plus 1 means 2. 1 plus 1 2, that is even number, plus 4 ones are 4. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರಿ 4 ones are 4. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು minus 1 o to the power 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 1 into 4 4. So next M12 is what? 3 that opposite it is 2, therefore minor of 3 is 2. So then what is the cofactor of 3? A12 is equal to minus 1 o to the power of 1 plus 2 into minor result is 2. Therefore that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 tane. Because 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is a odd number. Odd number badhe barutte minus bartade. Minus into plus minus 2. Okay, M21 is equal to M21. Yes, this is M21. Minor of 2 is what? 3. Minor of 2 is 3. So then cofactor of 2 A21 is equal to minus 1 o to the power of 2 plus 1 into 3. That is equal to 2 plus 1 3. 3 means odd number, negative minus. That is equal to minus 3. So next M22. So cofactor of 4 is what? 1. Then A22 is equal to minus 1 o to the power of 2 plus 2 into 1. Minus 1 o to the power of 2 plus 2 into 1. So 2 plus 2 4 means even number, that is positive, plus 1 into 1 1. These are the minus and cofactors. But I am going to here find out adjoint of A. So that's why you first you write the cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equal to, cofactors of A is equal to, first element cofactors 4, next minus 2, 4 minus 2, next minus 3, next 1. Okay, you clear? Cofactor of 1 is 4, cofactor of 3 is minus 2, cofactor of 2 is minus 3, cofactor of 4 is 1. This is cofactor of A, but I want adjoint of A. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ adjoint of A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? Adjoint of A means interchanging rows into column, otherwise columns into row. Adjoint of A, ADJ of A is equal to, write down like this. Yes, this is row, 4 minus 2 row. You take column 4 minus 2. ಇದನ್ನ column ಮಾಡಿ minus 3 1. This is adjoint of a matrix. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. adjoint of a matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ cofactors ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. 4 minus 2 ಇದೇನು ರೋ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 ರೋ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ minus 3 1. This is adjoint of a matrix. Okay, did you understand? You write down. Okay, so here, so we find I am taking this one 1 3 2 4. Already find out adjoint of A. So another method is there in adjoint of a matrix find out. Find out of the adjoint matrix. Another method is there. That is very simple method. When given only 2 cross 2, already find out this problem. Adjoint A, that results 1, 3, 2, 4. Adjoint of that result is mostly 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. That is adjoint of A. So that is also right. But next, very simple definitions, very simple method is there in adjoint of a matrix. A find out ಮಾಡೋದು, right? Already we know that some principal diagonal element and secondary diagonal element. According to this matrix, 1 4 is a principal diagonal element. ಇದನ್ನ 1 4 is called principal diagonal element. So 2 3 is called secondary diagonal element. Secondary diagonal element. So in this case, you want adjoint of A, adjoint of matrix, principal diagonals are changes and secondary diagonals elements sign changes. Principal diagonals change ಆಗ್ತವೆ, secondary diagonals sign change ಆಗ್ತವೆ. That is called a adjoint of a matrix. Principal diagonals are changes, secondary diagonals sign changes. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, you want adjoint of A, ನಮಗೆ adjoint ಬೇಕು. Adjoint of A is equal to, ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, adjoint of A is equal to principal diagonal 1 4 ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಂತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. A is equal to 6 minus 4 3 2. Adjoint of A is equal to principal diagonals changes. 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2. This is secondary diagonal, minus 4 ಇದೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 4. This is secondary diagonal, plus 3 ಇದೆ, minus 3. ಇದು 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. This is adjoint of A. ನೀವು ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈನರ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 x 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ 2 x 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Write on this. Okay, next I am going to find the adjoint of a matrix 3 x 3 matrix squad. 3 x 3 matrix. Yes, okay. 3 x 3. Adu ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, first you write the cofactors, then interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows. Okay. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಣ, ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. This is matrix A. Okay, first find out minus and cofactors find out ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ M11 ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. M11, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ M11 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಮೈನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೋ. 3 5 0 1, 3 1s are 3, 0 minus 5 0, so 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Minor of 1 is 3. Cofactors of 1 ಕಂಡಿರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ cofactor of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A11 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1 into result is minor result is what 3 ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ aij is equal to minus 1 whole to the 4 of I plus j into mij ಅದೇ ತರ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ the result is what minus 1 1 plus 1 2 is an even number and plus into plus 3 this is cofactor of 1 cofactor of 1 is 3 okay next m12 is equal to close this column and row 2 5 minus 2 1 2 ones are 2 minus plus into minus so minus into this minus plus 2 5s are 10 so 2 plus 10 is equal to 12 2 plus 10 is equal to 12 then cofactor find out ಮಾಡಿ a12 is equal to minus 1 whole to the 4 of 1 plus 2 so minor result is 12 in 12 that is equal to minus 12 because 2 plus 1 3 means negative because odd number so minus 12 okay ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 1 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 minus 1 ನ 3 times multiply ಮಾಡೋದು minus ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ even ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ minus 12 so next find out m13 is equal to close that column and row 2 3 minus 2 0 2 into 0 0 minus plus into minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 0 plus 6 is equal to 6 then a13 is equal to minus 1 whole to the 4 of 1 plus 3 into minor result is 6 that is 1 plus 3 4 even number positive that is equal to 6 okay next m21 is equal to m21 means this one look here close this column and draw minus 1 to 0 1 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 into 2 0 into 2 0 did you understand close this column and row minus 1 2 0 1 okay that is equal to minus 1 so next then a21 is equal to minus 1 over to the 4 of 2 plus 1 into result is minus 1 so that is equal to 2 plus 1 andre 3 means negative minus into minus plus 1 this is minor of 2 next this one m22 is equal to yes close this row and column 1 2 minus 2 1 ones are 1 minus into plus minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 then a22 is equal to minus 1 whole to the 4 of 2 plus 2 so that result is 5 so 2 plus 2 4 that is positive therefore 5 so next m23 that is equal to m23 means this one 5 close this row and column 1 minus 1 2 0 1 minus 1 2 0 1 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 a23 then a23 is equal to minus 1 whole to the 4 of 2 plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3 means 5 means negative minus into minus plus result is 2 okay next m31 here m31 is equal to m31 so minus 2 close this row and column minus 1 2 3 5 So minus into plus minus 1 into 5 5 minus 5 minus 3 2s are 6. So minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. Then minus 11. Then a31 a31 is equal to minus 1 over to the power of 3 plus 1 minus 1 over to the power of 3 plus 1 into that result is minus 11, that is equal to 3 plus 1 4. 4 means positive, so plus into minus minus 11, this is minus 11. Then cofactor of minus 2 is minus 11. Next cofactors of 0, look here, 3 2 m32 is equal to m32 is equal to, yes 0 is not ready. Close this row column 1 2 2 5 1 2 2 5 1 into 5 5 5 minus 2 2 is 4, that is equal to 1. Then cofactor of 3 2 a32 is equal to minus 1 over to the power of 3 plus 2 into result is 1, result is 1. 3 plus 2 5 means negative, minus into plus minus 1 minus 1. Last one m33 so m33, close this column and row 1 minus 1 2 3 1 3 is a 3 1 3 is a 3 minus plus into minus minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 5. So then that is equal to a33 minus 1. Look here, minus 1 over to the power of 3 plus 3 into result is 5. Therefore 3 plus 3 6, positive, plus into plus that is equal to 5. These are the cofactors. Okay, after this ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. look here, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. yes, next cofactor. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ cofactors ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, cofactor of A is equal to cofactor of A is equal to, yes, look here, cofactor of 1 is what? 3. Next minus 12, next 6, next 1, next 5, next 2, next minus 11, next minus 1, next 5. These are the cofactors of A. What do you do? Cofactors of A is 3 minus 12 6 1 5 2 minus 11 minus 1 5. What do you do? Cofactors of 1, cofactors of minus 1, cofactors of 2, cofactors of 2 3 5 is this. Next I want adjoint of A. Adjoint of A ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Yes, I want adjoint of A. Look here, ADJ of A. Adjoint of A is equal to interchanging rows into columns, columns into rows. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ರೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ ರೋ ಇರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 3 1 minus 11, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 3 1 minus 11. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಮಾಡಿ. minus 12 5 minus 1. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ 6 2 5. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ? 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ cofactors of A, cofactor of that matrix. then interchanging rows into columns into row 100% to get adjoint of A according to 3 cross 3. 2 cross 2 is very easy. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ on problems you write 2 times or 3 times or 5 times. Okay, ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ